gonna eat something now, and yeah, this is our room. And this is my bed. Yeah, we're really hungry now. I think we've taken the bus, and I think it took like 5 hours. Yeah. So we're now back from our boat trip, which took the whole day. Like, we started at 8 o'clock and ended up at 5:30, I think. Yeah, it was quite a long day, but it was quite nice. Well, the tour was a little too touristic. Like, when we came there, we had breakfast and also lunch at the family's house, but with like 20 people, and it was quite like organized touristic tour, which is normally not our thing. And yeah, it was quite hot, and we were like several hours just rowing on the river, like 3 hours, then lunch, and 3 hours again, I think. And also 1 hour ferry rides to where the boats left. And yeah, it was quite uncomfortable sitting all the time on those plastic seats. So if it would have been more comfortable, it would be nicer just to chill and relax all day driving across the river. But yeah, it was quite exhausting. But yeah, first world problems, I'd say. The trip itself was quite nice. The river was very beautiful, and like those seaweed stuff everywhere. I don't know what it was, but yeah, nice view. But I don't think that the whole day it was necessary to take the whole day for it. So maybe just like 2 hours ride and go back. But yeah, anyways, it was quite a nice day. And yeah, I'm already back at the hostel and took a shower because I felt so dirty, and I've got so many mosquito bites. That's horrible. It's so horrible here at the coast. Yeah, but no more complaining. Yeah, I think we will grab some food, and yeah, then I'm gonna go to bed soon. And I also have to think about my route now, because I've realized that we're very, very far south, more south than I wanted to go in the first place. They're quite nice places here, so it was definitely worth it. But yeah, I have only 60 days visa, so most people say that north is very, very more beautiful than the south, more worth seeing. So I should have at least half of my time for the north. But yeah, like, I don't know how to get there up there that fast. And on 2nd of March there's Holy Festival, and it's best in north, people say. So yeah, I should be in north at the beginning of March, and I don't know how to do that because India is such a big country, and maybe I have to take a flight, I don't know yet. And yeah, Romy has way more time. She has like, I think, 8 months visa, and she's doing a yoga teaching in Rishikesh in beginning of April, I think. So she has 2 months for the south, and I only got 1 month for the south. So yeah, I think tonight I have to figure out how to do that, what route I want to do, and how to get from one place to another. Yeah, so yeah, that's my struggle right now. We're gonna leave Aleppo today, and yeah, yesterday we haven't done that much because besides backwater trips there's not that much to do here, so we've just tried to do some shopping because I want to have some trekking sandals or something, like open shoes that are not flip-flops and that I can walk a little longer in, but yeah, we haven't found anything and it was so hot. Yeah, then we just came back to the hostel and did some laundry and yeah, slept a bit. And yeah, in the afternoon, as you've seen, we've been at the beach, which was also quite nice, just relaxing and going to the sea again, and where the waves were so heavy. Yeah, that was quite nice. And yeah, I've been awake until 2 o'clock in the morning, like 2 a.m. Just to figure out where to go next, and now I've got a really good plan. So now I feel way better having a plan. And yeah, I just don't know where to spend Holy Festival yet because it's on 2nd of March. Don't know if I should spend it in Goa or Mumbai, so I have to figure out that. But yeah, so we're gonna leave to Kochi today, but I'm not gonna spend the night there, but I'm gonna take the night bus tonight. And yeah, I'm just gonna join Romy in the hostel until then. Yeah, and then I can also see a bit of Kochi. Yeah, otherwise I would have just skipped it. Yeah.